So good day everyone. Now I have a video that I want to share with you. This video is content for educational purpose only. So this video can give you a small knowledge about the part of the leaves. So for those who didn't know me already, I am Roselito Sumiknan Maway from the College of Forestry and Environmental Studies. I've studied at MSU Buog or Mindanao State University. So we will start. As you can see, this leaf is a leaf of talisay. Their scientific name is Terminalia catapa. So let's start. So this is the apex, and this one is a margin. This line that's freed in the midrib is called veins. As you can see, these lines, this is called veins. This one is a midrib or mid vein, and this one is base, and this one is called petiole. From apex to base is called blade. If you want more videos, you can free to visit my YouTube channel RMTV.